Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cutout from your stencil that you can use to trace your design onto the skin. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is print out a copy of your stencil and make sure that it's printed at 100% scale. Next, we're going to cut out the design elements that we want to trace. So in the case of this design, we're going to start out by cutting around the edge of the pumpkin. You'll notice that I'm cutting off the entire black outline. This is very important and will ensure that the tracing matches up with the dots on the skin. Next, I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to cut out the smaller elements inside the design. So that would be the eyes, nose, and mouth in the case of this design. And I'm using a self-healing cutting mat underneath. If you don't have one of these, you can also use a piece of cardboard. Just make sure that it's clean. All right, we've created our cutout and I will show you how to use it in the next video. Thanks for watching.